Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Notifications so you can act now. Check the notification list and remove any stuck items. This clears the queue and lets the system rebuild entries. Make sure your Ps5 is signed into the correct PSN account and set as the primary console because permissions control which alerts appear. Once done, verify system software updates and restart the console to load fresh notification handlers before proceeding to detailed fixes. Now you adjust notification behavior. Open each category and enable or disable alerts you want. You do this because mismatched categories often block desired notices. Tune Do Not Disturb schedules and add exceptions for friends or party invites so critical alerts still reach you. Change pop-up duration and whether messages appear on screen to stop overlaps. After adjusting, test by sending a message or inviting yourself to a party. Make incremental changes if notifications still don't display correctly. Finish by restarting the Ps5 and router, then test notifications to confirm success. Simple restarts resolve many issues. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and choose Rebuild Database to repair corrupted notification files. This often fixes missing or duplicated alerts. Only consider a factory reset after you back up data, because that's destructive. If rebuilding fails, check your connected devices and app notification permissions on mobile, since cross-device settings can suppress console alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.